bata. Nakakatulong ba sa'yo yun sa moral mo when you're playing? So normally abroad ka nagpe-play eh. Very rare ka namin makita dito.
Alam mo, siyempre, gustong-gusto namin na talaga nakamukha na suporta kami ng mga tao na ganyan. Pero minsan din, naiya din naman kami sa kanila kung matatalo kami. So, maabot din ang nerves naman. Ngayon, kung maganda naman na magiging bitaw namin, maganda rin man kasi nasa kanila rin ang panalo namin. Kamukha nun, parang biyan na sila sa akin.
Efren, after this tournament, alis ka ng Cardiff kaagad. Tsaka, I'm sure a lot of people want to know dahil pinagyayabang namin na iindak ka na sa Hall of Fame. Can you imagine? Kailan ba yun talaga, just in case some of the viewers might be sa Amerika, di ba?
Sa Amerika yun, sa Las Vegas. Sa kusang kami naglalaro sa Riviera Hotel. Gaganapin yun sa July 12, kaya lang kasabay ng World Championship namin. Maring hindi akong umaten, baka ibang umaten.
Dahil sa Cardiff. Well, good luck with the rest of the tournament here and good luck in Cardiff. Efren, congratulations. Back to panel.
Thank you very much. And Efren goes off to sign autographs and hear the accolades of the adoring fans. We've got more action for you coming up later on this evening, a delayed telecast beginning at 11:30 tonight. Francisco Django Bustamante taking on Ralph Souquet, and then Warren Kiamco taking on Nils Fyan. Those matches both have significance because we still don't know who will be in the semifinals. All right, that's going to do it from here.